Welcome back to another adventure. Today we're creating an FTP sniffer that will be able to go and look at all the traffic on port 21 of whatever network you're on. So in the beginning we'll import the op parse, which then will allow us to parse information for our user. Then from there we'll import Scapy, which is a great tool and able to look at traffic and decipher through it. It actually is amazing to really get to know it. I don't know much about it, but I've heard from Hackersploit before that he talks about it's really good and able to learn how to use it, because when you're actually truly penetration testing, you get to the point that you need to look at the information on the network and you don't have Wireshark because you're bouncing from machine to machine, and it's definitely valuable to be able to know how to use that. So then we're going to set the variables within it. So this is the destination port, the raw port, print of create the user to log in, and then we're going to use regular expressions to find it. I think this is so. Then again, the dot star means look for everything. I think the question mark is to start and look for the variable user. And then raw. And then have the password and able to get on. Then we're finding the password. And then again, it's the raw information, and that's supposed to be comma. Alright, and then from there, going if the user, so then we're printing the information for you or the user that will be using this. So the thing that's really difficult about this is you need someone able to log in. I think that's what it's saying, and able to actually understand how to get the user credentials, but that's where social engineering comes into play. Oh, interesting. Press the Alt button and that happens. And then user account, and then we're going to display that for you or the user. And then 0. So 0 is the first variable. That's something I've already talked about, but anybody that's new, it starts at 0. And then printing. And then the plus means just information for our user. And then from there, the password is then the first part of the password that we want. And then that's 0 again, and the str converts into a string, and a string is something that's able to be readable. And then from there, just like the last two videos, we're gonna have it short, and then we just create our parser inside the main. And finally, again, how to use parser and typing it out without having to look too much now at the book. But it's definitely nice to make sure all the syntax and everything is correct. And then from there, create the option for the user. interface, comma, type, again, string, and then the helping for you or the user is then specify interface to listen on. If you'd like to see it, you should share with me if you'd like to see comments in my code on further videos, because this isn't something that is really long, but if you would absolutely need it, then I can say that this adds option I don't really see a problem with. I think that I should add comments just to be able to help everyone also see what you should be having. From now on out, I'm just going to create comments because it's going to help everyone and what to do and how to properly code and able to make it better for everyone. I mean, comments are last resource. If the user cannot read it, then you should always have a comment, but then comments also help. You just don't want to do comments all the time, which that's obvious. It prints the password, that prints the user, that prints the detected FTP login. Some people wouldn't know what this is, so beneficial to do this is regular expressions. And then this again, people don't know what that is, so regular expressions. And then sprintf, I think most people would be able to understand what that is, and that's the raw load. Yeah, people can understand. And then that's the destination. For the most part, I don't know what the PKT is. I want to say it's packet. That is the only thing that I can really guess right now because I have a hard time looking that up. And then create the options. So then they can actually be used as the argument. And then parser.parse. And so if there's nothing, then we're going to print the parser usage. And then exit the program so it doesn't keep on running. Else, we will configure .iface. Again, if anybody knows what iface is, that'd be greatly appreciated. Did I have a typo before? Haha. At least I caught that now. Alright. And then, so configuring it there, and then try sniff. So what you want to filter is the prot. Yes, the prot. That's exactly what we want. Port 21. And then FTP sniff is the name of our program. And then accept. And then exit the program if it doesn't work, if you don't find anything. And then if your name equal to main, then we're going to run the program. Definitely should add that. There we go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you learned something and hope you have a great day.